have your file in the timeline, then press Shift 7 to go to the effects panel, and in the search bar, type in VR Glow, and drag and drop this effect to your clip in the timeline. Then press Shift 5 to open the effect controls window, and in the effect controls window, go to VR Glow, and click on the free draw Bezier icon. And then go to the program monitor and create an outline around the logo or object you want the VR glow on. As you create the outline, make sure you connect the first and last vertex points to connect the outline of your object. Then go back to the VR glow effects section in the effect controls window and adjust the luma threshold, glow radius, glow brightness, and glow saturation to your choosing, as every object or logo is different. For this situation, I'm going to have the luma threshold set to 0, the glow radius set to 90, the glow brightness set to 2.1, and glow saturation set to 1. I would also adjust the mask feather to soften the glow around your object. And this is how you make your objects glow in Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.